All right, I see a lot of nervous self-employed borrowers out there, and so today we're talking about the ins and outs of being self-employed in a post-pandemic world and applying for a home loan and how to qualify, and the truth is it is not that bad. So if you are self-employed, it's really not that big of a laundry list to submit to a broker such as myself to see and assess the situation and see what we actually do qualify for or what needs to happen to qualify in the future. There are 2 years tax returns, both personal and business. So you have corporate tax returns. We will need those. We will also need your K-1s as well as your corporate tax returns. And very important these days is we need to have 3 months of business bank statements, the most current 3 months, as well as the most current profit and loss for your business. And they do use that. I mean, one thing that's really different in this post-pandemic, if you want to call it that, or this mid-pandemic world, is they really look at these P&Ls and business bank statements like it's like it's federal income. Like basically, we didn't really look at P&Ls in the past because they weren't filed with the IRS and weren't considered federal filed income, right? It's just a P&L. Things could change. But now they really look at these under a magnifying glass. And a lot of times they want you to get them audited, which is a process in itself we don't need to go into right now. But just know that you will need a P&L, and I can help you with that too, with looking at your bank statements and last year's tax returns. And then we also need a loan application. So you can go to Fresh Home Loan and fill out the purchase or refi information, and we can get the ball rolling for you. Now, once we have this information, I do want you to know there are more options out there for self-employed borrowers in more challenging loan situations, really, than we have seen in a very long time, including bank statement loans and a lot of what they call the non-QM loans or qualified mortgage loans, more for the outside-the-box businesses, if you will. So those are out there. Conventional guidelines, we're allowing higher debt-to-income ratios for situations like this. So there is a lot out there for you if you think you are self-employed and have a challenging situation. I'd love to help you out. I know what I'm doing, and I'm here to help you. As always, I am Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan, Inc. Really appreciate you watching, subscribing to this channel and all that fun stuff, and liking this video. We are here in the Bay Area and all of California to help serve you, independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Peace.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.